Hey guys, Mike with Gettin Greasy Garage here, just a shorty. So I got my Eastwood bead roller out, and I'm actually going to be doing a lot of conversion work to this. Fitzy's Fabrications, he got something similar to this, and really upgraded it and made it nice. So anyway, I'm going to do that to this one, but I'm working on the Turbo LS, and I had to cut down some of the tubing, you know, the duct work. And anytime you run airline or anything with pressure, you got to have a rib on the end. And I had to cut some of the tubes down, and I wasn't sure what to do as far as putting a rib on the end of it. I don't weld aluminum, so I couldn't just put a bead on it. And so, voila, stick it in the bead roller and roll a bead on it. That's my first time I've done it, so it's a little off, but that'll hold a hose. So all I did was just put it on the die there and then clamp it down. But it actually worked pretty good. So if you're messing with turbo ducting or anything, tubing for coolant, whatever, and you need a way to roll a bead roller on a, well, this is an Eastwood, but there's all kinds of them. And I don't know, but I think you can get smaller diameter bead roller dies. I mean, this is like 2 7/8 tubing. But, yeah, it turned out pretty good. I'm pretty happy with that. So, just a little shop tip there. If you happen to have a bead roller and need a bead rolled on some tubing, these work for more than just sheet metal. So, anyway, guys, that's just a little shop short today. And, thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Questions, comments, leave them below. Like, share, subscribe. And we'll see you in the next one. Stay greasy, my friends.